In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zapier with WordPress. If you're looking to automate your workflows and connect WordPress with other apps and services, Zapier is a fantastic tool for streamlining these tasks. We'll walk you through the process, step by step, so you can easily get everything set up and running smoothly. To begin, you'll need to access the backend of your WordPress website. This is where you manage everything from content to settings, and where you'll add new functionality, like Zapier. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, look to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a series of menu items that allow you to control various aspects of your site. Scroll down until you find the Plugins option. This section is essential because it's where you can find, install, and activate new plugins that enhance the capabilities of your website. Hover over Plugins, and you'll notice a drop-down menu or a direct click-through option. From there, you want to select Add New. This will take you to the section where you can search and add new plugins from the WordPress plugin repository. In this stage, your screen should display a search bar on the right side. Go ahead and click into that search bar and type Zapier for WordPress. Just a quick search, and you will see the plugin that you need come up in the results. It's important to ensure you're choosing the correct plugin designed to integrate Zapier with WordPress, so double-check the name if you need to. After you find Zapier for WordPress in the search results, look for the Install Now button next to it. Go ahead and click that button. This action will begin the installation process, and you should see a progress indication as it installs. This usually doesn't take long, and within a minute or two, you should see the button change once the installation is complete. Once it's installed, the next step is to activate the plugin so it will be ready to use. You'll now see an Activate button in the same spot where the Install Now button was previously. Click Activate, and your plugin will be up and running. Once the plugin is activated, you'll have access to all the features it offers to connect Zapier with WordPress. All right, you've now successfully installed and activated the Zapier integration plugin on your WordPress site. From here, you can start creating zaps, or automated workflows between WordPress and thousands of other apps supported by Zapier, thus streamlining your operations and saving valuable time. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more how-to videos on enhancing your digital workspaces.